Welcome to our $500 Costco showdown. Today, we're putting the Dreame GoVac 400 to the test against its competitors to see how it performs in mopping and auto-emptying tasks. When it comes to value, the GoVac 400 offers a significant advantage. Priced at $500 at Costco, it includes a $150 bonus accessory kit, unlike standard retail boxes that provide minimal extras and often require additional purchases for replacement parts. In terms of raw suction power, the GoVac 400 leads with 13,000 pascals, allowing it to deep clean thick carpets and pull debris from crevices with ease. In contrast, typical rivals offer mid-range power and often struggle with deep carpet dust. The GoVac's mopping technology features DuoScrub dual spinning mops with downward pressure and an internal water tank, ensuring a deep clean. Standard robots often lack this heavy-duty scrubbing and may require manual pre-wetting. For edges and corners, the GoVac 400 uses RoboSwing technology, allowing it to twist and reach areas other robots miss. Most standard units rely on straight-line driving, which leaves an unmopped gap along walls. Both systems utilize LDS LiDAR navigation. However, the GoVac 400 provides faster initial mapping and more dynamic, room-by-room sequencing compared to the more basic grid patterns found on standard navigation systems. Obstacle avoidance is critical. The GoVac uses a 3D line laser for medium object detection, prioritizing user privacy by avoiding RGB cameras. While some competitors use cameras, they may struggle with specific lighting or privacy concerns. Carpet handling is another win for the GoVac, as it can auto-lift its mop pads by 10.5 millimeters. Many other models lift pads significantly less, risking dampness on rugs and requiring separate cleaning runs. The docking station makes a difference too. The GoVac 400 features hot water mop washing to melt away grime and odors, whereas many other docks are limited to cold water, which is less effective against stubborn stains. Beyond washing, the GoVac utilizes a heated air drying system to prevent mold and odors. This is a clear upgrade over standard ambient air drying, which takes longer and often leaves pads smelling sour. The auto-emptying system on the GoVac features a massive 3.2-liter dust bag for up to 75 days of hands-free vacuuming. Standard systems typically use smaller bags that require more frequent maintenance. App customization is robust with the Dreame Home app, offering 32 water levels and precise cleaning path control. Other standard apps may be limited to basic settings and can be less reliable in their connections. In our extreme mud and stain tests, the GoVac 400 cleared dried mud effectively in just 2 passes. Rivals often struggled, smearing dirt across the floor and requiring manual intervention. Maintenance is simplified with the GoVac's brush design, which is compatible with haircutting upgrades. This prevents the common issue of hair tangles that plague many standard all-rubber brush rolls. In conclusion, the Dreame GoVac 400 is our clear winner. With its combination of raw power, hot water washing, and immense value at Costco, it stands out as the ultimate mid-range smart home buy.